Hi, my dear friends, do not forget to subscribe to my channel. There is always a lot of interesting information especially for you. Be sure to like me. Apple's spring presentation is coming soon. The new third generation iPhone SE has been declassified. Apple will release its next budget smartphone in 2021. This is reported by the Chinese edition CN Beta with reference to sources. The new smartphone will be called iPhone SE3 or SE Plus. Compared to the current model, it will have a screen enlarged to 6.06 inches. It is believed that the design of the device will match the appearance of the iPhone 8 Plus. Also, the device will retain a fingerprint Touch ID, but the declassified data does not specify exactly where it will be located, in the home button or on the side panel. Experts believe that the new device will have the current Apple A14 Bionic chip and a dual camera. iPhone SE Plus will cost 3,500 yuan. Apple is currently working on the device. The model will be presented in early 2021. Introduced in the spring of 2020, the iPhone SE received a 4.7-inch chip screen, a home button, an Apple A13 Bionic chip, 3 GB of RAM from 64 GB of internal memory. Earlier, consumer intelligence research partners, (SIR), experts spoke about the most popular smartphones in the US market for the third quarter of 2020. The budget iPhone SE received a 20% share of all Apple smartphone sales. The most popular phone on the market was the iPhone 11. Thank you for your attention. Subscribe to my channel and like me. I constantly select the most interesting and new information for you, and all this is only on my channel.